Hi, hope you are doing well. We have gone through your job details and understand that you need to develop an web application for nail salon business. Like multi-vendor web application, depending on the requirements, salon can set up their different options and it will have the features like clock in, clock out, appointment setting, customer and employee can log in, they can check their income and expense also. There will be a POS system where they can include gift card and reward card as well as can get email, text messages, etc. We have also gone through your images which we have provided in detail. As I am showing you, I have provided all the necessary documents with the description file, so I request you to please do check it out. Well, I am happy to tell you that we will be definitely able to help you regarding this issue, as we have developed a lots of web application as well as Android and iOS applications. So here in this video I will be briefing about some of our most recent popular projects. So let's begin. So this is one of our most popular projects known as Hybrid.com. It is completely an e-commerce site for buying healthcare and beauty products. Here user can sign in, register or log in. After signing in, they can also buy products as well as can buy gift cards. Let me show you an example. Suppose I want to buy this product. So simply I need to click on the desired product and there is all the detail, how to use ingredients, all things are shown all together. And there is also a quantity option from where user can select how many quantity they want to buy or purchase. And there is a add to basket option, clicking on which a pop-up will appear which will be showing the item has been added to the basket, and then user can check out the basket. And there is a summary of payment given. User can also apply promotion code if they have, and then click on to the checkout button. After checking out, user have to sign in, or if there is a new user, he have to register in order to purchase the product. There are plenty of categories, as you can see: makeup, skincare, health, hair and beauty, nails, from which user can select one of these. There is also a gifts portion available, from where user can buy gift cards. There is also a filtering option, from which user can select the price range. And now the results will appear depending on that filter. There are also social media links provided, for which we have used APIs, and we are familiar to work with APIs as well, and we can do to your project as well if you want. So this is all about the Hybrid.com, and this site has many more features. To keep the video short, I can not able to explain all the features to you, and I request you to please check out all the features, for which I have provided this website's link in the project description part. Moving on to our next project, this is Hybrid.me. It is the counterpart of the previous website which I have shown you, Hybrid.com. This site is developed to provide health and beauty care service, where customer can select, first of all, customer or service provider can log in and register. After that, they can select the treatment they want to like. As you can see, there are auto suggestion options providing. From these, user can select one of the suggestions, like I am selecting. Then they have to provide the postcode or city. and after that they can select the service they want and click onto the search button. So as you can see, depending on the searching options, the results will appear, from which user can select one of these. So after selecting, there will be a map view provided, and there will be an overview of that particular salon will be provided. All the detail will be provided all together, like opening hours, reviews and ratings, from which user can select and verify. There is also an option provided from which user can select on which date he want to book the treatment. And depending on that, all the available salons will be provided. There are also other filtering options, as you can see, price range options as well. We have also developed Android and iOS versions of this website. The direct links are provided here, from which you can check it out. From this join us option, the service provider can log in and sign up. As you can see, all the informations are provided here which the user need. So this is all about this hybrid.me, and this website has many more features. To keep the video short, I cannot explain all those features to you, and I request you to please do check it out, for which I have provided this website's link in the description part. Now moving on to our next project, this is Clockn. This is completely an employee management system with plenty of features. As you can see, there are plenty of features in the dashboard provided here. From this live look feature, user can see who is still working and in the present, as there is no one have clocked in, so this message is showing everyone is clocked out. From this Clockn part, user can first select the job code, then provide the address, and after that they can click onto the Clockn button. After clicking on the Clockn button, a pop-up will be showed that the user have been successfully clocked in, and after clocking in, there will be a live timer going on which will record the user's current day and week. If they want, there will be also a clock out option provided, from which user can clock out directly from the system. There is also an option provided which is known as generate reports. Here user can select the employee from his joining date. After that, he can select his job code and click onto the search button. After clicking onto the search button, that respective employee's all detail will be showing all together, like his clock in time, clock out time, total break taken time, etc. There is also a billing portion. As you can see, this is not a free app. In order to use the app, user have to first subscribe. For that, there are plenty of plans given, from which user can select one. And for payment method, they can use their credit and debit cards as well, for which we have introduced Stripe Payment Gateway. There are also transaction history, company settings, and many more options provided here. I have provided this app's link in the description, and I request you to please check out all the features in brief. Now moving on to our next project, this is known as Toffli.com. It is completely an e-commerce site and completely a multi-vendor site. As you can see, there is a plenty of options of items provided, from which user can select one. And vendors can join Toffli with this Sell Us button. After clicking on that button, user have to first register themselves, and after registering they can provide their valid email ID and password in order to sign in. There are filtering options provided here, from which user can select the category of the item which they want to search. They can also filter by brand name also, and filter by color also. There is also a list view and grid view provided, and also a price high to low and low to high filter provided here. After selecting all the filters, the result will appear depending on that selected filters. After selecting a particular item, if the user want to buy that item, he need to click on to just the buy now option. After that, the item will be successfully added to the cart, and they can proceed the payout from here by clicking on the pay now option. In order to check out all the payment methods, user have to first log in. Means user have to have the valid user ID and password. So this is basically a complete e-commerce site. As you can see, there are many options and sections provided. To keep the video short, I cannot explain all those features and sections to you in brief, and I recommend you to please check out all those features altogether, for which I have provided this website's link in the project description part. Well, now moving on to our next project, this is known as Fashion Wishes. It is also a complete e-commerce site. As you can see, there are plenty of options provided, plenty of items provided also. User can select the new option and click on to that selected item which they want to buy. After that, just need to click in shopping cart option, and the item will be added to the cart. So as you can see, the item is added to the cart, and if the user have the valid discount coupon, he can also apply that coupon. There is also a quantity increasing option provided, quantity decreasing option also provided. And in order to successfully sign in and successful payment gateway, user have to first log in into the system. So I have just shown you one feature of this website, and this website has many more features. As you can see, to keep the video short, I cannot explain all those features to you, and I recommend you to please do check it out, for which I have provided this website's link in the project description. So these are some of our projects which I have shown you, and we have developed many more projects, and we'll be more than happy to share those with you if we got the perfect opportunity. Well, with our experience, we have pursued many projects, and including technologies like React Native, Firebase, Objective-C, PHP, MySQL, etc. We have also a really experienced development team working behind us to develop our projects in real time and better way. And we also provide 1 year free maintenance and bug fixing on our production. So I do hope we really get the opportunity to work together in the near future. So thanks for watching this video and have a great day.